right now, there are billions of dollars in cryptocurrency just sitting in digital vaults that will literally never, ever be opened again. Why? Because the owners died and, well, their passwords died right there with
Yeah, they're just gone.
Exactly. Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, our mission is exploring the Digital Legacy Manifesto to, decode exactly what happens to your digital footprint after you are gone.
It is a huge topic. Thanks for having me.
Of course. Okay, let's unpack this. Think about it like dropping a massive, completely unlabeled ring of keys on the ground the exact moment you die. You are gone, and your family is left holding this heavy, confusing mess.
Right, while they're grieving.
Right. I mean, they're stuck fighting automated support tickets during their deepest grief, just trying to retrieve family photos or, close out a bank account.
It is a totally fractured landscape.
Yeah.
What's fascinating here is the sheer scale of the problem. We live our entire lives online, yet there is absolutely no universal rule book for digital death.
Not at all.
Because every tech company, from Apple to the smallest crypto exchange, has invented its own incompatible policy. Or sometimes no policy at all, meaning that digital wealth is permanently locked away.
Which is just wild, and relying on these fragmented corporate solutions is clearly a mess. So the manifesto makes a pretty bold argument.
Yeah, it does.
It says the fix cannot be a company subscription or some customer service department. It has to be an open mathematical standard. But here's where it gets really interesting. How exactly do you build an internet dead man switch without just relying on a central server to manage it?
Well, it comes down to something called the Digital Legacy Protocol, or DLP. They're currently at version 0.3, I believe.
Okay.
The way it works is by using some incredibly robust math, specifically Shamir's secret sharing and AID 2519 cryptography.
That sounds intense.
It is, but basically, instead of storing your master passwords or private keys in one big server vault, the protocol mathematically splits your secrets into pieces. You then distribute those pieces among trustees you choose, like your lawyer or your siblings.
Wait, I need to understand that. If it just splits a password into pieces, how is that secure?
Because it is not just cutting a password in half, Think of Shamir's secret sharing, like tearing up a treasure map into overlapping clues.
Okay, overlapping clues.
Right. If you give out 5 pieces, the math dictates that any 3 of them can mathematically recreate the full map, but having just 2 pieces gives you absolutely nothing.
Okay, I have to push back here. Say I take a 2-week off-grid vacation in the woods, right?
Sure.
What is stopping 3 of my friends from just getting together, combining their pieces, and suddenly accessing my entire digital life while I'm out hiking?
That is a great question, and it is exactly why holding the pieces isn't enough. The system runs locally on your devices and relies on a check-in process.
A check-in.
Yeah, you stop checking in so your heartbeat stops. The protocol initiates out the sequence. Your trustees are pinged and asked to cryptographically attest to your absence.
I see. So it is not a free-for-all. It requires consensus. They can't just combine the pieces whenever they want. They have to hit that predefined quorum, like 3 out of 5, agreeing that you are actually gone. Only then is the secret reconstructed.
You got it. And because this local first engine is fully tested and has been released into the public domain under a CC0 license, the foundation is completely free and open for anyone to use.
Right. But because this protocol is built to run locally on your devices, not on some massive corporate server, developers now face a new hurdle, connecting this offline vault to the apps you use every day. So, what does this all mean for the future of the web?
It means it is time to build the bridges. The manifesto is essentially a call for pioneers to build DLP adapters. Imagine if the password manager you already have on your phone natively recognized this protocol.
Oh, that would be huge.
Right. You wouldn't have to learn new software. Your phone would just quietly ping you on uncensorable platforms like Signal or Telegram to make sure you're still here.
And if I don't answer?
Then we get into self-executing smart contract vaults on networks like Ethereum and Solana. These are essentially computer networks that execute code automatically without human intervention, which is exactly what you want if you aren't around to push the button. If we connect this to the bigger picture, this is about shifting control of our legacy away from massive server farms and giving it directly back to our families.
Yeah, it really is the core takeaway for me today. The Digital Legacy Protocol isn't just developer jargon. It is a blueprint to take back control of your digital wealth and your memories, ensuring they actually outlast you. It is about organizing that massive ring of keys before you drop them, so your family knows exactly which one opens which door.
Spot on. And this raises an important question. If our digital inheritance becomes fully automated, self-executing through smart contracts, how might future generations interact with these decentralized vaults?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, imagine a scenario where a vault is programmed to reveal specific family secrets or digital assets on a predefined schedule, decades after the owner has passed.
Now, that is a wild thought to leave you with. Imagine your descendants finally getting a specific key from you 50 years from now. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.